Welcome to the new episode of M Step. Me, Renisha, and today I am going to explain about the importance of maths in our daily life. Mathematics in everyday life. According to some people, maths is just the use of complicated formulas and calculations which won't be ever applied in real life. But maths is universal language which is applied in almost every aspect of life. Yes, you read it right. Basic mathematical concepts are followed all the time. You would be amazed to see the emerging of maths from unexpected situations. Let's read further to know the real life situations where maths is applied. First one is making routine budgets. How much should I spend today? When I will be able to buy a new car? Should I save money? How will I be able to pay my EMIs? Such thoughts usually come in our minds. The simple answer to such type of question is maths. We prepare budgets based on the simple calculations with the help of simple mathematical concepts. So we can't say I am not going to study maths ever. Everything which is going around us is somehow related to maths only. Second one is the construction purpose. You know what? Maths is the basic of any construction work. A lot of calculations, preparations of budgets, setting targets, estimating the cost, etc. are all done based on maths. If you don't believe, ask any contractor or construction worker and they will explain as to how important maths is for carrying out all the construction work. The third one is the exercising and training. I should reduce some body fat. Will I be able to achieve my dream to body ever? How? When? Will I be able to gain muscles? Here the simple concept that is followed is maths. Yes, based on simple mathematical concept, we can answer to above mentioned questions. We set our routine according to our workout schedule, count the number of repetitions while exercising, etc. just based on maths. Next one is the interior designing. Interior designing seems to be a fun and interesting career, but do you know the exact reality? A lot of mathematical concepts, calculations, budgets, estimations, targets, etc. are to be followed to excel in this field. Interior designers plan the interiors based on the area and volume calculations to calculate and estimate the proper layout of any room or building. Such concepts form an important part of maths. Next is the fashion designing. Just like the interior designing, maths is also an essential concept of fashion designing. From taking measurements, estimating the quantity and quality of clothes, choosing the color theme, estimating the cost and profit to produce cloth according to the needs and tastes of the customers, maths is followed at every stage. Next is the shopping at grocery stores and supermarkets. The most obvious place where you would see the application of basic mathematical concepts is your neighborhood grocery store and supermarket. The schemes like flat 50% off, buy one get one free, etc. are seen on most of the stores. Customers visit the stores, see such schemes, estimate the quantity to be brought, the weight, the price per unit, discount calculations, and finally the total price of the product and buy it. The calculations are done based on the basic mathematical concept. Thus, here also maths form an important part of our life or the daily routine. Next is the cooking and baking. In your kitchen also, the maths is performed. For cooking or baking anything, a series of steps are followed, telling us how much of the quantity to be used for cooking, the proportion of different ingredients, methods of cooking, the cookware to be used, and many more. Such are based on different mathematical concepts. Indulging children in the kitchen while cooking anything is a fun way to explain maths as well as basic cooking methods. Next is the sports. Maths improves the cognitive and decision making skills of a person. Such skills are very important for a sportsman because thus he can take the right decision for his team. If a person lacks such abilities, he won't be able to make correct estimations. So, maths also forms an important part of sports field. While playing cricket, badminton, or any other sports, mathematics is required, as the distance from where the ball is coming and can be catched. That accurate guess is possible by mathematics. And if we see more clearly, we can see easily that every sport include maths. Next is the management of time. Now, managing time is one of the most difficult tasks which is faced by a lot of people. An individual wants to complete several assignments in a limited time. Not only the management, some people are not even able to read the timings on an analog clock. Such problems can be solved only by understanding the basic concept of maths. Maths not only helps us to understand the management of time but also to value it. Now, in driving, speed, time, and distance, all these three things are studied in mathematical subjects, which are the basic of driving irrespective of any mode of transportation. Max helps us to answer the following question: how much should be the speed to cover any particular distance? How much time would be taken? Whether to turn left or right? When to stop the car? When to increase or decrease the speed? These answers can be all are related to max. Next is the automobile industry. The different car manufacturing companies produce cars based on the demands of the customers. Every company has its category of cars ranging from micro cars to luxurious SUVs. In such companies, basic mathematical operations are being applied to gain knowledge about the different demands of the customers. These all are based on maths. Next is the computer application. Ever wondered how a computer works? How easily it completes every task in a proper series of action? The simple reason for this is the application of maths. The fields of mathematics and computing intersect both in computer science. The study of computer applications is next to impossible without maths. The concept like computation, algorithms, and many more forms the base for different computer applications like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, etc. are impossible to run without maths. Next is planning a trip. We all are bored of our monotonous life and we wish to go for long vacations. For this, we have to plan things accordingly. We need to prepare the budget for the trip, the number of days, the destination, hotels, adjusting our other work accordingly, and many more. Here comes the role of the maths. Basic mathematical concepts and operations are required to be followed to plan a successful trip. Next is the hospitals. Every hospital has to make the schedule of the timings of doctors available, the systematic methods of conducting any major surgery, keeping the records of the patients, records of success rate of surgeries, number of ambulance required, training for the use of medicines to nurses, prescriptions, and scheduling all tasks, etc. All these are done based on mathematical concepts. Next is the video games. Playing video games is one of the most favorite entertainment activity done all over the world, irrespective of the fact that whether you are a kid or an adult. Students usually skip their maths classes to play video games, but do you know here also they are learning maths? Here they learn about the different steps and techniques to be followed to win any game. Not only while playing, but the engineers who introduce different games for people also follow the different mathematical concepts. Maths is the base of other subjects. Though Maths is itself a unique subject, but you would be surprised to know that it forms the base for every subject. The subjects like physics, chemistry, economics, history, accountancy, statistics, in fact, every subject is based upon Maths. So, next time you say, I'm not going to study this Maths subject ever, remember, this subject will not ever going to leave you ever. Next is the music and dance. Listening to music and dancing is one of the most common hobbies of children. Here also, they learn maths while singing and learning different dance steps. The coordination in any dance can be gained by simple mathematical steps. The application here is the mathematical operations. Next is the manufacturing industry. The part of Max called operations research is an important concept which is being followed at every manufacturing unit. This concept of Max gives the manufacturer a simple idea of performing the number of tasks under the manufacturing unit, like what the quantity to be produced, what methods are to be followed, how to increase production, how the cost of production can be reduced, removing unnecessary tasks, following methods like target costing, ABC costing, cost profit, budgeting, and many more. Next is planning of cities. Urban planning all includes the concept of budgeting, planning, setting targets, and many more, which all forms the part of mathematics. No activity is possible without maths. The application here is the trigonometry, algebra, linear programming, and operations research. Problem solving skills. Problem solving skills is one of the most important skills which every individual should possess to be successful in life. Such skills helps the individual in taking correct decisions in life, let it be professional or personal. This is all done when the person has the correct knowledge of basic mathematical concept. The application here is the logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, basic mathematical operations. Next is the marketing. The marketing agencies make the proper plans as to how to promote any product or service. The tasks like promoting a product online, use of social media platforms, following different methods of direct and indirect marketing, door to door sales, sending emails, making calls, providing the number of schemes like buy one get one free, flat 50% off, offering discounts on special occasions, etc., are all done on basis of simple mathematical concept. Thus, max is present everywhere. Here, the application is the budgeting, percentages, ratios, algebra, probability, and mathematical operations. Next is the weather forecasting. The weather forecasting is all done based on the probability concept of max. Through this, we get to know about the weather conditions, like whether it's going to be a sunny day or a rainfall will come. So, next time you plan our outing, don't forget to see the weather forecasting. That is, concluding that in all fields we can see the touch of max and we can't live without max. Thank you.